Shocking benefits of eating honey. Not just a drizzle in your tea or a sweetener in your oatmeal, but actually making honey a part of your daily routine? Winnie the Pooh swore by it. So did Shaggy and Scooby. Even ancient gods were believed to have feasted on this golden nectar. But why has honey been so treasured throughout history? Let's dive into 10 powerful benefits of eating honey daily. And by the end of this video, you might just be tempted to make it your new go-to superfood. Before we continue, let us know in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is there. We'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you're enjoying this already, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly health insights. 1. It sweetens your day. Naturally, honey is more than just a natural sweetener. It's an energy booster packed with antioxidants. Swapping refined sugar with honey in your tea, yogurt, or baking can support better blood sugar control, but moderation is still key. 2. You'll sleep like a baby. Having trouble falling asleep? A spoonful of honey before bed can help your brain release melatonin, the hormone responsible for deep, restorative sleep. 3. Brain boost alert. Honey has been linked to improved memory and focus. It may help reduce oxidative stress and slow down age-related mental decline. 4. Stress less, smile more. That same honey may also soothe anxiety and fatigue. Its natural sugars and nutrients power up your brain and help ease nervous tension. 5. Say goodbye to that scratchy throat. From singers to parents, everyone loves honey's ability to calm sore throats and stubborn coughs. Studies even suggest it works better than some over-the-counter meds for kids over 1 year old. 6. Heal your gut from the inside out. Raw honey is a natural prebiotic. It feeds the good bacteria in your gut, improving digestion and even helping with acid reflux. 7. It helps your heart stay strong. Honey's antioxidants are heart protective. Studies show it can lower bad cholesterol, raise good cholesterol, and regulate blood pressure. That's a sweet deal for your cardiovascular system. 8. Slim down the natural way. Despite being sweet, honey may help you lose weight. It curbs appetite, improves metabolism, and gives your body essential nutrients without the crash of processed sugar. 9. Flood your body with antioxidants. Honey is loaded with flavonoids and phenolic acids that fight aging and reduce the risk of chronic disease. The darker the honey, the stronger its antioxidant punch. 10. It's pure nutrition in a spoonful. From minerals like magnesium and zinc to vitamins like niacin and riboflavin, honey delivers more than just sweetness. It delivers nourishment. So what are you waiting for? Add a little honey to your life and reap the golden rewards. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell so you won't miss our next video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.